Warm greetings. Elise Brenner and myself, Judy Bousquin, are offering a program through Circles of Wisdom called Cultivating Presence. Michael Meade has said, "What ultimately soothes our souls is an innate connection to something greater than ourselves. This something keeps trying to enter the world through our lives."
Yes, Judy and I were looking for inspiration on ways to serve our community, having witnessed many people suffering in response to the uncertainty of our times.
What do people need right now, we wondered? We feel strongly that people are seeking learning, seeking growth, seeking experiences around the theme of cultivating presence and using it as a way to feel strong within themselves and better able to helm their personal journeys.
Cultivating Presence is a 5-week participatory and interactive program offered on Zoom. You will experience meditations, contemplations, exercises, journaling, and discussions. Participants engage in these practices together for cultivating a deep presencing and connection with all things, beings, and processes. And we look forward to enjoying your presences on Thursday evening, September 21st through October 19th at 6:30 p.m. And special thanks to Kathy at Circles of Wisdom for hosting us. Hope to see you soon, and thank you. Bye.